Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techie Dialogue, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you 7 Microsoft Teams secrets for your Windows PC that will make you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. These are little-known features you don't want to miss, so let's dive right in. Number 1. View Teams Keyboard Shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts let you move faster inside Teams, helping you chat, search, and control meetings without using the mouse. They are a simple way to boost productivity and feel more in control of your Windows PC workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC and make sure you are signed in. This ensures all shortcut features are available and ready to use. Step 2. Press Ctrl+ on your keyboard to open the full keyboard shortcuts list. This gives you a quick reference for everything you can do without clicking. Step 3. Review commonly used shortcuts like Ctrl+E to search and Ctrl+Shift+M to mute or unmute during meetings. Focusing on the most useful ones makes them easier to remember and apply. Step 4. Start using these shortcuts while chatting, joining meetings, and navigating Teams. The more you use them, the faster and more natural they will become. Number 2. Disable Teams Auto Start. Turning off Auto Start prevents Teams from slowing down Windows boot time and frees up system resources. It helps your PC run faster without affecting how you use Teams. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC and sign in. This ensures you can access the full settings menu. Step 2. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Teams, then select Settings. This opens the area where startup behavior is controlled. Step 3. Under the General tab, find Auto Start. This option decides whether Teams launches when Windows starts. Step 4. Toggle Auto Start off. Teams will no longer open automatically when you turn on your PC. Step 5. Close Teams and restart your computer to apply the change. After rebooting, Teams should no longer run in the background. Number 3. Clear Teams cache files. Clearing the Teams cache fixes glitches, slow performance, and syncing issues by removing corrupted temporary files. It ensures Microsoft Teams runs faster and more reliably on your Windows PC. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Fully close Microsoft Teams from the system tray. Click the Teams icon near your clock. Select Quit, and make sure no Teams processes are running in Task Manager. Step 2. Press Windows+R, type %appdata%Microsoft, and press Enter. This opens the folder where all Microsoft apps store temporary data, including Teams. Step 3. Locate the Teams folder in this directory. It usually contains subfolders like Cache, Application Cache, Logs, and IndexedDB, which store temporary files and app settings. Step 4. Delete the Teams folder completely. You can right-click it and select Delete, then empty the recycle bin. Teams will recreate fresh folders when reopened, so no permanent data is lost. Step 5. Reopen Microsoft Teams and sign in again. After Teams starts, it rebuilds the cache automatically, which often resolves slowdowns, freezing, or syncing errors. Number 4. Manage Teams notification settings. Customizing notifications helps you stay focused, avoid distractions, and never miss important messages or meetings. Proper notification management ensures alerts are meaningful, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC and sign in. Make sure you're using the desktop app to access all notification settings. Step 2. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Teams, then select Settings and go to Notifications and Activity. This opens the panel where you can control all alerts, sounds, and activity notifications. Step 3. Here, toggle options for sounds, message previews, or showing notifications during meetings. Adjust these to your preference so Teams doesn't distract you but still alerts you to important events. Step 4. In chats and channels, use the drop-down menus next to each activity type like mentions, messages, or replies. You can choose banner and feed banner, only show and feed, or off depending on how prominently you want alerts. Step 5. Under Sounds, customize notifications for specific actions like mentions, replies, or when meetings start. This helps you recognize different types of alerts without looking at your screen. Step 6. Close the settings window to save your changes. All adjustments take effect immediately, keeping Teams notifications informative but non-intrusive. Number 5. Enable Read Receipts. Read receipts let you know when someone has seen your messages, helping you track communication and follow-ups in Teams. They improve visibility in chats and make team collaboration more transparent. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC and sign in. Make sure you are using the desktop app, as read receipt settings are fully available there. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings and go to Privacy. This is where you control message read receipts and other privacy features. Step 3. Locate the Read Receipts toggle in the privacy settings. This determines whether other people can see if you've read their messages. Step 4. Toggle Read Receipts on. This enables notifications for both sent and received messages when they have been read. Step 5. Close the settings window to save changes. Read Receipts are now active, helping you track message engagement in chats and channels. Number 6. Turn off message previews. Turning off message previews keeps your chats private by hiding message content in notifications. It prevents sensitive information from appearing on your screen, while still alerting you to new messages. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC and sign in. Ensure you are using the desktop app to access full notification controls. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings and go to Notifications and Activity. This is where all Teams notification options are managed. Step 3. Under the Display section, find the Show Message Previews toggle. This controls whether the content of new messages appears in pop-up banners and notifications. Step 4. Toggle Show Message Previews off. Messages will now only notify you of new activity, without displaying the content. Step 5. Close the settings window to save your changes. Your notifications remain active, but your message content stays private on your screen. Number 7. Manage Teams device settings. Managing device settings ensures your microphone, speakers, and camera work correctly during calls and meetings. Proper setup improves audio and video quality, helping your Windows PC meetings run smoothly. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC. Click the three dots next to your profile picture and select Settings. This opens the main settings panel where all Teams preferences are located. Step 2. Choose Devices from the left-hand menu. This panel lets you manage audio and video devices for calls and meetings. Step 3. Under Audio, select your default speaker, microphone, and camera from the drop-down menus. This ensures Teams uses the correct devices for sound and video. Step 4. Enable Auto-Adjust Mic Sensitivity or Sync Device buttons if needed. These features optimize your microphone for consistent volume during calls. Step 5. Toggle Mirror My Video or adjust brightness and soft focus if needed. These settings refine your appearance and visual quality during meetings. Step 6. Close the settings window to save your changes. Your chosen devices and adjustments are now active, ensuring high-quality audio and video in all Teams meetings. And that's a wrap on 7 Microsoft Teams secrets for your Windows PC. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech tricks, tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.